Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Playmobil Space is probably one of the most iconic and beloved toy lines that has captured the imaginations of children and adults alike for decades, offering a gateway into the wonders of the cosmos through imaginative play and detailed, collectible figures and vehicles that encourage storytelling and exploration of the final frontier, making it a fantastic choice for budding astronauts and space enthusiasts. Number 5. Playmobil Mars Rover. Embark on an exciting mission with this incredible Mars rover. It's designed to conquer the toughest Martian landscapes, bringing the adventure of space exploration right to your fingertips. Astronauts can gather valuable blue crystal specimens directly from the planet's surface. These can then be safely stored in the rear compartment for a successful return journey. This comprehensive set includes a detailed figure, the versatile rover, and shimmering blue crystals. You'll also find other exciting accessories to enhance your playtime. The included figure is fully articulated, allowing it to sit, stand, and turn its head. This means you can create dynamic and realistic play scenarios. Perfect for aspiring astronauts aged 6 and up, this toy encourages imaginative play and a love for discovery. Get ready for hours of intergalactic fun. What we like. This vehicle is built for the rugged Martian landscape. If you're looking for a toy that encourages imaginative play about planetary exploration and resource gathering, this is a great choice. Its specialized design makes it perfect for kids who love science fiction and adventure scenarios. What people say. Well made and goes great with his other space-related items. Great value for hours of creative play. Well made, lots of space adventures. Number 4. Space Exploration Shuttle 12-in-1 STEM Building Kit. Discover the wonders of space with this incredible 12-in-1 building kit. It's designed to spark curiosity and imagination in young explorers. With 566 pieces, you can construct a variety of amazing spacecraft, from shuttles to rockets. Enjoy quality time building together. This set makes learning fun. It introduces different space vehicles and encourages hands-on skill development, boosting creativity. Building is a breeze with the easy-to-follow manual. Create your space fleet without any frustration. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, these durable blocks are built to last and are washable for endless play. An ideal educational gift for ages 6 and up, it inspires imaginative play as they explore the cosmos and create their own space adventures. What we like. This is a fantastic STEM building kit that offers incredible value with 12 different space vehicle models. If you want a toy that combines building fun with educational benefits, helping your child learn about aerospace and improve their creativity, this is ideal. It's perfect for kids who enjoy construction challenges and want to expand their knowledge of space. What people say. The pieces are very lifelike and more of collectible types once you assemble. It was a fantastic activity to do with your kids in summer. These have tight tolerances and fit well together. Number 3. Playmobil Satellite Meteoroid Laser. Introducing the Playmobil Satellite Meteoroid Laser, your ultimate tool for space exploration. Keep your missions on track and clear any obstacles in your path. Simply open the solar panels to power up the equipment. This allows you to detect any surrounding space matter with ease. Use the powerful lasers to target and destroy any incoming meteoroids. Watch them break apart as you take aim. To shatter the meteoroid, press simultaneously on both sides in the center. Experience the thrill of successful destruction. Need to send your astronaut out into space? Secure them safely to the vessel using the connected arm attachment for added stability. What we like. Engage in thrilling space missions with this set that lets you tackle dangerous space debris. If you enjoy action-packed play and the idea of defending a satellite with a laser, this is the one for you. It's perfect for children who like dynamic play and imaginative scenarios involving space defense. What people say. In my opinion, anything from Playmobil is outstanding. Bought for our 4-year-old grandson for Christmas, and he has yet to put down the combination of different sets in the space series we purchased for him. I purchased many of these sets when my sons were children and they still own them today. You can't go wrong with the Playmobil toys. Unser Sohn hat zu Weihnachten die Mars-Station und das Mars-Strike bekommen. Dazu ist der Meteoroid Zerstörer ein tolle Ergänzung. Vor allem der Sprengbare Meteoroid ermöglicht fantasievoll Rollenspiel für die kleinen Raumfahrtfans. Zur Qualität muss man eigentlich nicht viel sagen. Wie bei Playmobil üblich, ist alles stable und ohne Scarf Kanten o.a. Es un producto muy bueno, la calidad del juguete es insuperable. Vale la pena comprar y tener horas de sana diversion. Number 2. Playmobil Volkswagen T1 Camping Bus. Get ready for an unforgettable journey with this iconic camping bus. It's the perfect companion for your next road trip adventure. This van features a fully equipped mini kitchen, comfortable sleeping area, and ample storage. Every detail is designed to feel just like the real thing. Remove the roof to discover a detailed interior. You can seat figures at the table, let them drive, or open the side doors to reveal shelves and a vanity. Designed for endless fun, this toy is recommended for ages 5 to 99. It's a fantastic addition for collectors and young adventurers alike. It comes with everything you need for your trip, including figures, luggage, food, and accessories. Pack it all up securely for the journey. Since 1974, Playmobil has been sparking imagination. This durable, high-quality toy is built to last for many years of play. What we like. Embark on imaginative road trips with this classic camping bus. If you appreciate detailed, lifelike toys and enjoy role-playing adventures, this is a superb option. It's perfect for children and collectors alike who love the nostalgic charm and versatility of a camper van. What people say. The attention to detail is incredible, from the iconic VW design to the miniature camping accessories inside. Pieces are durable and well-made, just as you'd expect from Playmobil. It's also a great size for imaginative play and pairs perfectly with other Playmobil sets. Grandes acabados de buena calidad. Replica exacta de la VW T1 camper con todo lujo de detalles como el asiento convertible en cama, la nevera, el fregadero con grifo o las puertas con mesas. Incluye toda clase de accesorios como tazas, almohadas, bricks de leche, latas de sardinas, cámara de fotos, etc. Techo extrable para ver el interior. Replica del motor con puerta. Camino perfecto para usarla como decoración y también para que jueguen los niños. Facil montage con instructions claras. Number 1. Playmobil Mars Mission Playbox. Embark on an exciting mission to Mars. Simply open the front panels to set up your very own research station. Join the astronaut and robot as they collaborate to study mysterious water crystals discovered on the red planet. This set is perfect for adventures on the go. All pieces store neatly inside, and the top even doubles as a handle. Included are a brave astronaut, a helpful robot, a satellite, a walkie-talkie, and many more exciting accessories to fuel your imagination. It's recommended for children aged 4 and up, providing hours of imaginative play. Please note, it contains small parts and is not suitable for children under 3. What we like. This play box is designed for adventure anywhere, anytime. If you need a compact and engaging toy for travel or easy storage, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for younger children who enjoy setting up their own research stations and playing with astronauts and robots on the go. What people say. Todo ese monte con gran solvencia y exactitud, no ha faltado ni una sola pieza y los adhesivos son fuertes y buenos. Siguen siendo fuertes, seguros y un producto de muchísima calidad. Esta serie de Space, Mission Marte, además de ser increíble por el número de accesorios, y de acoplarse muy correcto, encima tiene un gran parecido a las estaciones de películas de Marte o de la Luna, muy conocidas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.